This video I'm going to share with you that the stay experience at the Meridien Vienna. I know that this hotel has got very limited offer, like no lounge, no here, no this and that. So for what I do is that I will share with you that what you can expect when you stay one night in this beautiful Meridien Vienna. This is very cute rainbow wing, and here is the lobby. Let's go to check-in right over here. Good news to share with you that I got a big upgrade. This is the largest room in this hotel, and unfortunately that this hotel has got no club lounge, but they do have a swimming pool. They have 24 hours gym, and as a platinum guest, you can choose breakfast or point. Of course, I chose the breakfast. Breakfast is at the same floor right over here, and if you like to go to the gym and the swimming pool, it's at the downstairs basement. And if you are a platinum guest, you can get a late checkout until 4, but I'm leaving tomorrow 11, so I will not ask for a late checkout. But I'm going to show you the room, the breakfast, the gym, the spa facility, and anything I think is good about this hotel I will share with you. Livia is the one to check me in very fast, less than 2 minutes. And as a platinum guest, you get this thing is a pumpkin oil sweet, something unique in Austria. I'm gonna give it a try, and also a very cool chocolate thing from Austria as well. So let me show you the bedroom now. Let's go. Very excited to show you this room. It's big, old school, and then let's start the tour. So this is the largest room in this hotel, family suite. Then once you come inside here, they have a very interesting mirror here. When you pull open, there's a hair dryer and ironing board right over here. I believe this should be a thing that for you to press your pen. I think. Then the room is huge. So over here, that's the living room. On my left side is a toilet bowl. So you think that's a guest toilet, right? No. This is a bathroom right over here with a standing shower, a pole over there, standing shower like this, then basin, lotion and hand lotion and a hand wash right over here. Very simple toilet, right? So here's the living room with the dining table for 4-pack, and there's a sofa bed. I'm sure you can turn that to a bed right over here, as this is a family room. I just tried the TV. It's not so smart TV. You can't connect your device with wirelessly, but there is a thing right over here for you to plug in the cable to connect your device with the power plug here, and a very cool espresso machine. I never tried this before, but I would love to make a lot of coffee with this. It's fun to me, like very professional coffee maker. Okay, I'm gonna do that later. So let's go this side, all the way to the bedroom. So you think that there's a bathroom right over there and the bedroom right over there troublesome? Let me show you why. Anyway, here is a wardrobe with the bathrobe, bedroom slipper hanger, very big safe right over here, instant coffee and tea, and the fridge is empty. And I got this bottles of rosé from Ritz-Carlton, as that they know I love rosé, so I keep ordering rosé, so they give me that. Oh wow, you can turn this out. It's very useful design. It looks a little bit old school here, but I kind of like it. I don't know why. I'm old school. Here's a walking desk, 2 power plug over here, LAN cable, check the connection, and Bible. Here is a bed. The regular Meridien bed. It's king bed, but it looks a little bit small to me. But I'm sure it should be fine. Usually Meridien bed is good. Another not so smart TV, and of course you can connect all the device with this cable. And oh yeah, let me perform this. I can squat so well. Whoa! This hotel has got a lot of pole, so don't go too wild. And then this one also got another pole. Alright, but this thing will move. Just now I nearly break this pole, so be careful with this pole. It's fun to do something naughty. Here's a bathtub and a bathroom for the bedroom. So you have 2 bathrooms for a family suite. Is perfect, so you don't have to wait for each other to use the toilet. The toilet bowl is here, hand basin, all this thing, standing shower. You can do the pole dancing right over here, up and down. Standing shower with the body shower, hair shower, and the air conditioner. Sorry, I'm panting. Too much of the pole dancing thing, right? I just get so excited with this pole. It's time for bed test. I'm gonna try the bed to see whether it's hard or nice pillow and the dusty bed for you. It's a rough blanket and the bed sheet. Hey! Okay, when I jump on the bed, I see a little bit of dust, which is acceptable to me. And this is a Meridien bed. It's a little bit soft. It's not too soft. When I get to older and older, age a lot, I kind of like harder bed now. But I still love the softness on the, what they call, like, feel like a cloud. This is a very comfortable bed. Okay, let's try the pillow. Kind of like a foam pillow. Okay, so 2 of the pillow are the same quality. And when I make this, I can see a lot of the dust are floating around. Not too bad. Pillow is good. Yeah, I think that I will have a good sleep over here. But I think the pillow is a little bit too flat once I press down. I'm going to show you a little surprise. Here it is. This is a little surprise from the hotel. While I'm doing while I'm changing, then I heard a ding dong, and then like these are the things that collected from my friend. Just for 2 hours, this is amazing. So welcome at Meridien Vienna. It's like a lot of sweet treats, a lot of berries, and a bowl of berry. And this is the warm welcome message from the Meridien Vienna team. Thank you very much for all this thing. I think this is amazing. I can skip my dinner and my friend can skip the dinner with this. Wow, a lot of sweet. I think this is a small little gesture which make me feel so good, and I had enough of food in Vienna. I think fruit and sweet will make me happy, make my friend happier, and with all this, vitamin C will boost up our immune system. So thank you, Meridien, for everything. Like I say that when I check in, I received a warm, big smile, warm welcome from the lady Livia. I have a very good impression with that, and then like I use my Bonvoy Suite Award to get the room upgrade. I am very happy to get this room for me and my friend. We don't have to fight for the toilet, the bathroom. Just woke up. The bed is really good, but it's a little bit small. So my friend is like yesterday is like almost like keep pushing me aside. Then the air conditioning in this room is a little bit warm, although that we set to 19 degree. It's only shown that this room is only 26 degree, but lucky I have my fans, so the ventilation is slightly better. We still sleep very well. Then shower wise, had to wait for the hot water for like 1 or 2 minutes, and then shampoo, all these are very good. I always love their shampoo from Meridien. Soundproof is very good. There are room facing on the main road, but we got this room is facing to one of the old building which have back road. So if you think that you need a good quiet sleep, when you check in you have to tell them that you need a room facing the other side, not on the main road, because last night I went out till quite late. There are still a lots of car, lots of noise, but although that they have double window, but I think that you might still hear something because it's a very low floor. So let's go to have breakfast. Hey, let's see what they have for their breakfast. It's just right over here. Looking good. So egg stations, then scrambled egg and bacon, then hash brown and baked bean, the sausage and mushroom, maple syrup is here. I think here should be the pancake. And the bread. The bread here always looks very good in Europe. I love their bread. The fruits, and they have the prosecco over here. You can make your own what they call mimosa, the coffee, the tea, the cereal, the honey. Everything looks really good to me, and I think the croissant is a must try. And here's a yogurt, cut fruits. Yeah, oh, the cheese looks good. Lots of option, and they have date. Also some of the jam and the salad station. That is all. Here is the gym. Very decent gym. It's not 24 hours, but they open every day. That's what I was told. 24/7. I think it should be 24 hours, but yesterday I tried to come in at night. I was unable to access to the gym. So decent gym. They can do a good cardio and some workout over here. And I'll show you the swimming pool in a bit. Here is a swimming pool that a little bit small, and the water is heated a little bit. And then there's like the jacuzzi over here. It's warm, it's very nice. Behind the pool, you can actually access to the sauna. It's right over here. And let's see what is it. Oh, 2 different types of sauna. That's cool. Can you see the bed is actually a little bit low, but we got no problem with that. Just want to share a few that I know that some people, they love their bed very high, but I think it's quite dangerous that sometimes I will fall from the bed. When I sleep, I move a lot. I'm going to check out now. A little bit early check out. It's 10:30 now a.m. Then I'm going to share with you that the stay experience of this hotel. It's a very simple hotel. I cannot remember how much I paid for this room, but I remember it's not really pricey. I actually quite like this location. It's actually near to one of the metro station, and it's a little bit away from, no, it's actually in between of like the local famous area that I went yesterday. I went to the Vienna largest adult shop. I love it very much. I can share with you the link. It's very impressive. You can buy good quality adult toy there. And the area is completely, you will see the local only. When I was there, like me and my friend, we are like the only tourists. And on the left side will be all the historical building, the palace, the museum, all this thing. It's actually quite central located. Yeah, I would say it's just right opposite the opera house. Yep. Breakfast is very simple. The staff are all very cheerful. They smile. Lots of people telling me that the Austrian always like black face. The customer service is not that good. But I don't really encounter that. I saw a few, but I never encountered that. Then the hotel here is very good. The lady that checked me in is super good. I think that she's very nice. Then the people in the breakfast are very friendly as well. They are really attentive to ask you whether you want more coffee, which my very first encounter in Vienna. Even those that in Ritz-Carlton, they will just you have to do it yourself in the club lounge. Then the only thing I don't like about this room is like the air conditioning is not really that good in this bedroom, but the living room and the other side, they are freezing cold. We turn up 16 degree and we let the cold wind to blow into our room. I don't like the water pressure, the water heating system. It's really takes some time to wait for the hot water, a little bit waste of the time. And the shampoo is like far apart. So every time I need to get the shampoo, I have to like move a little bit, and then like it's very high. So I have to like pump like this to, I'm tall, I'm considered tall, but it's like, I think with the kids will need help to pump the shampoo. The gym is 24 hours. I just found out what you need to do that after the official hours, you need to go to the reception to get a card, special card from them to access to the gym, and the swimming pool will close at 9 p.m. or 7 p.m. or something. It's quite early, I remember that. No complaint, nothing bad about this day. I think there's only one thing. There's no club lounge in this hotel, which I think it will be a bonus. It will be a good gesture for platinum guests to have some, maybe a few drinks at the bar if you don't have the club lounge. Right. So with that, I hope you like this video. I hope that this video is helpful for you to choose a stay in this Vienna. This is one of the hotels that I really like. Okay, bye bye.